Vijay was born in New Delhi, India. He migrated to the US and has now acquired US citizenship. He wants to give power of attorney to his sister, Suman, in India so that they can sell their ancestral property in Delhi. To do this, Vijay will follow the steps outlined in this video. Step 1. Prepare the power of attorney. First, draft the power of attorney POA. There are different types, for example, limited or special power of attorney, general power of attorney, springing power of attorney, continuing or durable power of attorney for property, etc. It is best to get the power of attorney language from India and the tweak it in the US. This will ensure that all requirements of Indian legal system are addressed, and there is no problem in selling the property in India. There is no single prescribed format, but it should be typed on plain A4 or letter-sized paper. It should include full legal names, father's names, US passport numbers, and current addresses for both the executant Vijay and the attorney Suman. Step 2. Get the power of attorney notarized. Take your POA to any notary in your area in the US and get it notarized. You should sign the document in front of the notary, who will verify your identity and put his stamp or seal on the document. It should be witnessed by 2 independent witnesses, who are neither the beneficiary nor your immediate family members. You should get your government-issued ID such as US driver's license or US passport notarized at the same time and attach it along with the POA document to send to the relative in India. Vijay should also send a photocopy of his Indian Overseas Citizen of India (OCI) card along with the POA. Step 3. Get an apostille certificate for your power of attorney. An apostille certificate is an international certification that authenticates the origin of a public document such as birth certificates, marriage licenses, diplomas, power of attorney documents, for use in another country. It confirms that the signature and seal of the issuing official are legitimate, thus simplifying, or removing, the need for further, more complex legalization. While an apostille certificate is sometimes called an apostille stamp, it is almost always a separate piece of paper, which is then physically attached to your original notarized power of attorney. The attachment is designed to be permanent. If the apostille certificate is removed or separated from the original document, the apostille usually becomes invalid. You can see sample apostille certificate on the screen, and a link to this sample is given in the description. Note that an apostille document generally does not require any further consulate attestation for use in India. This has been clarified by the Ministry of External Affairs of India VD Memo No. QOI 433-2, 2020, dated November 18, 2020. You can see this circular on your screens, and a link is provided in the video description. Moreover, website of Consulate General of India clearly states that the Hague Convention, to which India and USA are signatories, abolishes the requirement of legalization for foreign public documents. With the certification by the Hague Convention, apostille, the document is entitled to recognition in India and vice versa, and no certification by the embassy consulates of India is required. The convention applies to public documents, which have been executed in the territory of one contracting state, and which must be produced in the territory of another contracting state. However, in many places in India, they would easily recognize the attestation by the Indian embassy consulate, and hence may ask for a attested copy, despite the document already being apostilled. Hence, to avoid any inconvenience, if you wish to have the apostilled document also attested by the consulate, you may apply to the consulate. It means, if you have obtained an apostille certificate for your power of attorney, you need not get it further attested by the Consulate General of India in USA. Note that an apostille certificate does not verify the content of the document. Apostille certificates in Canada are issued by designated competent authorities, which include Global Affairs Canada and specific provincial ministries. These authorities, such as the Ministry of Justice or Attorney General in provinces like Ontario, BC, Alberta, Quebec, and Saskatchewan, verify the authenticity of documents for international use. Similarly, in the United States, an apostille certificate can be issued by 3 categories of designated competent authorities, depending entirely on whether the document is federal, state, or judicial. The jurisdiction that originally issued or notarized your document dictates exactly who must handle your request. Step 4. Adjudication the POA in India. Vijay should send the notarized and apostilled POA document, his notarized government-issued ID, such as driver's license of passport, copy of his OCI card to his sister, Suman in India. After Suman received the physical copy of the documents in India, she must take the documents to the district registrar's office, sub-registrar, in Delhi within 3 months of documents arrival in India. She will also pay the required Indian stamp duty, which varies if the POA is for a blood relative versus a non-relative, to make it legally enforceable for property or financial acts.